Hi everyone, the Psei is set to put pressure again on the 7,900 resistance. What's gonna happen? Will it break out or will it break down? What's in store for the market in the next few days? Check this out. So the Psei closed today at 7,881.82, up 49.60 points, giving it a 0.63% green movement for the day. BDO, Ali were one of the largest index movers in terms of value turnover. BDO was up to 129.90 with 691 million pesos traded, while Ayala Land was up by 0.57%, bringing it closer to 44.20 and a value turnover of 385 million. However, total for the market, 5.73 billion is not really as convincing as what we want it to be, but nonetheless, it's still closer and a bit in the range of the lower value turnover movement that we had over the past few weeks. Please remember that the Psei over the past few weeks really hasn't had a spectacular movement in terms of transactions and trades, but we really want it to be at the higher 7, 8 up to 10 billion for it to be more convincing. Now, off to the charts. Looking at the charts though, we're still bearish from a term of where the buyers and the sellers are. I really believe for us to reverse, we need to break out of the 8,100 level. Up until we break out of that, we can expect the market to not have any change in direction. Please remember this though, I posted this in several videos already, that because of the movement and because of it holding and staying above the 6,900, 7,000 range and bouncing from that level, we've started to move sideways since July. We're out of the heavy downpour of selling. We're out of the downtrend. However, we're not as bullish enough yet to make us start to reverse and go higher. So what does that mean? Over the past few trading days though, starting July, we've seen an amount of peso coming in. We've seen an amount of buying, that while the market has started to move on a bearish note but relatively sideways, money has started to pile in. A lot of price and momentum oscillators are now pointing that the market is out of its bearish state. But please remember, a pure reversal will come out if it breaks out of 8,100. Now, let's look at the charts even more. If you look at where we posted the closing today, the highest point where we need to break out as of this point in time is at 7,900. A failure to break out of 7,900, if it does not break out of the 7,900 level, I believe the market could retrace back to as low as 7,480 or 7,500 for at least the midterm. Please remember that the range that we've been trading on already since May, June this year is at 6,975, where our lowest area is, and the highest is around 7,900. We haven't gone past 7,900 from April, May this year already. So that's our sideways consolidation market. Now, if we break out of 7,900, the current track where the market is headed, it will try to at least attack the 8,000, 8,100 level, and that will be a tough test to see if it's strong enough to make the market turn bullish. If it does not again break out of that, we will just range and go to 7,483 for the short term. So let's see what will happen. Again, I've received over hundreds of messages asking, will the market hit 9,000 by January 2019? Again, we do not know. We cannot forecast. We cannot guess. We will not. No one can have a perfect estimate on the market over the next months. What we can do at the most is to really manage our trades, is to really create a scenario where if it goes up, it breaks out, you enter more money in. If it fails to break out, you sell, you put more cash out, you stay in the sidelines with more cash. Why? Because to win in the market, it's just about to be to play strategy, meaning you don't have to be in the market all the time. You have to be there when it counts the most. So if we fail to break out of 8-1, I really don't think we will reverse yet. Though, for those who are watching our stocks by request, the amazing thing about stocks by request is, number one, you can profit from individual stocks. If you follow the video previous to this, we've talked about SMC, FB, we've talked about RLC Ali still also reversing. Then you have DMC, and you also have AGI doing significant strides upward. So if you're not a person who's just following the index in general, there are already stocks that are doing quite well already. So I hope you guys use what we would talk about here as a reference point to help you and guide you win in the market. I really want to see more and more Filipinos gain the conviction to win and use the stock market to reach your goals of financial freedom. So that's it for now. If you are enjoying this YouTube and Facebook updates that I've been doing, I hope you give this channel a like, a subscribe, and please comment also, so I would know what's your favorite take in all of this. So if you like the PSI updates, or you like the stocks by request sessions, comment below. Or if you want me to make any other video as well that will benefit you, so that you get to trade the markets with confidence as well. So the seminars are also here if you want to do trainings in terms of trading and investing. We have our live sessions. It will be flashed after this video. So that's it for now. Tomorrow is another day. That's what I do. It's 11:20 now. I study my charts. For those who've been following me, I study my charts in the evening. Why? Because the market is closed. I get to see and analyze the charts for what it is. Then if I see a buy signal, I execute at 9:30. If I see a sell signal, I execute also at the time that I log in. But if I don't analyze, I don't transact. The best way for you to lose money is just to monitor and monitor and to monitor the markets without you analyzing it the night before, and without you setting the parameters of why and when you should buy and sell the stock as well. So that's it for now. Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. It's time for you to reach your goals of financial freedom. God bless you all.